Hello all, welcome to i-tutor Academy. In today's session, we will start with the unit 2, subsection 6, that is input output devices. And please refer last videos so you will get the idea about unit 2, the starting sessions. Okay, so they are used. What is input output devices? So these devices are used as a medium of communication between the external environment and the CPU, and the input is provided to the computer through the input devices and the output is given through the output devices. The input and output devices are controlled by the CPU. A computer system may also have device under the control of CPU dedicated for controlling the input output devices. Input devices. So in this here there is category of input devices in table 2, that it give a keying devices, pointing devices, and voice recognition, that is keyboard is there, keying devices, punched card reader, like that. Pointing devices are mouse, touch screen, joystick, light, pen. These are common, all nowadays all are using these all things, so all of you know. Maybe in case you don't have in case any doubts, you just google it, so you will get the picture of this all over the devices. Okay, and voice recognition is there, optical characteristic recognition, that is barcode reader, QR code reader, like that. Other devices are digitizes, that is map, graph, smart cards, etc. So barcode reader scan the code, that is black and white bars which specify the name of the product and its manufacturers. The computer then find the price of the product from the database. It is used for high volume processing of data where use of keyboard entry can be very time consuming. For example, they are used in supermarkets, like that. Digital cameras are used to capture pictures. The pictures are digitized and stored in computers. The pictures can be reviewed, deleted, edited, and saved for future use. Images can be transmitted from a PC to a printer or to other cameras. They can be mailed to friends, that is, digitizers are devices that convert a drawing made on sensitized surface with the help of pen to machine readable input, like that. And output devices, the output generated by a computer can be transmitted to the user via several devices and media. These devices are called output devices, that is monitor, printers. So outside connecting devices, that is output devices. And the audio device, speaker, headphone, projector, plotter. So plotter is the they use computer driven pens for creating black and white or color graphic images like charts, graph, etc. And television, like that. And braille reader and gps stand for global positioning system devices. And video card is a hardware device that can be placed in the dedicated socket provided inside the motherboard of the computer's processing unit. Okay, so these are that things. And networking devices. A network, what is network? Network is a group of computers, printers, and other devices that are connected together with the cable. Data travel over the cable, allowing network user to exchange documents and data with each other. And many users can use the same printer and share hardware and software that are connected to the network. Each computer, printer, or other peripheral devices that is connected to the network is called a node. The number of possible way to logically arrange the nodes or computer system and devices on the network are mainly of five types. They are termed as network topologies, the logical model that describes the network structure or configurations. The computers in the ring network are connected in ring or circle. There is no central computer and messages are routed around the ring from one device to another in one direction. So here is type of network topologies. So you just please refer this figure 2.3 and you will get the idea. That is, ring structure is there, hybrid structure, star structure, tree structure is there, bus structure is there. Okay, network devices allow multiple computers to exchange data and information through internet or intranet connection. And many people can use a single printer or share other devices and resources on the network. Plug and play devices. Plug and play, that is also called PNP, specification was developed by Microsoft with corporation and from Intel and many other hardware manufacturers. The goal of plug and play is to create a computer whose hardware and software work together to automatically configure devices and assign resources to allow for hardware changes and additions without the need for large scale resource assignment, tweaking. As the name suggests, the goal is to be able to just plug in a new device and immediately to be able to use it and without complicated setup maneuver. And the plug and play features was introduced in Windows 2000. One can plug in, for instance, an USB, that is universal serial bus device, and it is detected and accepted by the system so that the device can be used without rebooting the system. And USB is the industry standard for attaching peripheral devices to the computer. This technology is designed for use with almost all devices, including printers, digital cameras, gamepad, joysticks, keyboards, and mouse, TV, storage devices, etc. Activity B is here, so you just try to do it. And the smart devices. What is smart devices? Smart devices are interactive electronic gadgets that understand simple commands sent by users and help in daily activities. Some of the most commonly used smart devices are smartphone is there, tablets, phablets, smart watches are there, like that. Okay, a smart device is able to connect, share, and interact with its user and other smart devices. Although usually small in size, smart devices typically have the computing power of a few gigabytes. Such a devices are very common these days in information gathering and further dissemination. They are all of the everyday object made intelligent with advanced computing, including artificial intelligence and machine learning. Next is communication technology. Communication is the transmission of a signal by a way of particular medium from a sender to a receiver. For example, in human speech, the sender transmit a single signal through the transmission medium air. Sender is there, transmission medium is here, signal sign is there, so receiver also there. For the effective communication, both the sender and the receiver should understand the signal and have common interpretation for them. When communication has to be established, a medium is required for transmission, and this pathway or medium is called as communication media. It includes twisted pair, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable, and microwave transmission and satellite transmission. And with the fiber at home communication media, you get high speed internet connectivity at your home with the application like internet and giving the facility of watching TV channels, browsing websites, and can play and view audio video program of your interest, like that. And type of computers, there is mainframe is there. Mainframe are not a powerful and not as expensive as supercomputers. A large organization generally uses mainframe as a contact database and file server. And mini computers is there. So there are also called mid-range computers. They are less powerful than my mainframe. Okay. And workstation is usually based on RISC architecture, provides high solution graphic display and high speed calculations. Scientific and business community uses these machines. Microcomputers, also called personal computers, are general purpose computers. A PC that sits on a desk is called desktop personal computer, in contrast to a laptop computer, which is portable. Network computer, and it is a network computer is a desktop terminal that is connected to a central computer, and NC has a essential no storage, no CPU, and no secondary storage. It has a keyboard and also a video display, like that. Okay, and the summary of this unit is here. And in this unit we have discussed an introduction to computer system, the component of computer which we explained in detail, that is CPU, ALU, storage, and IO devices. The CPU works as the brain of the system, while RAM is the working memory of the system. Today's computers come with the possibilities to use many plug and play devices, and they are also network compatible. There are smart devices available today for information gathering, processing, and further disseminating. We have also discussed the concept related to networking in this unit, where we describe various media used such as coaxial cable, satellite, fiber optics, and microwave communication. And at the end, we have given a brief overview of different type of computer through generations like that. So here is unit and exercises. You must do it. It will help you for your term and examination, like your assignment. And only 8 questions are there. What are the component of computer system, and what are the component of a CPU? What factors affects the speed of a computer? Write a detailed note on primary memory. Write a detailed note on secondary memory. Write a detailed note on input output devices, and what are plug and play devices, what are various type of computers. So these are the questions from this unit. Try to do it. It will help you for your term and examination, all we discussed. And in between any doubts, you can contact us anytime. Okay, for more MBA videos, you just do like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.
i-tutor Academy presents Ignou Mba complete syllabus coverage classes for individual students, semester-wise subject with online and flexible timing. For more details, contact on +916 238 21785.